if you're familiar with the last video, well, we didn't know it then. Well, we may have known it, but I don't think we mentioned it, that this was coming out because, what do you suspect is wrong with it? Bad head,
I think
something?
there's a hole in the piston from running racing fuel in it.
Oh, that's right. So Ding Dong here decided to run racing fuel in it, so that'll be interesting in the comments. Yeah, because we got a lot of, you know, you gotta let that car warm up before you rev it comments, and I was like, yeah, it's, you know, it's not mine, so
Yeah,
but
gotta wait
whatever.
for it to build
It's
up.
his, so he has no Instagram or YouTube, so you can't tell him, so I have to tell him. So that's fun. Also, what?
I'll put that in it.
Oh yeah, here we go. So I'm gonna take a gander over here. So I've been putting out pictures. You saw it. It had the upside down zoomies on it, but it currently doesn't. And I told you it wouldn't because it's obviously going in here. And unless you wanted to cut some holes right here or do some super creative fabrication, that wouldn't work. But so what are the plans for this motor?
Take it apart, see what's wrong with it, fix it, and put it in the big black truck.
Let's go point at the big black truck we did a video on already. We did a Willet start, right? Your dad's big black truck?
No.
Yeah.
No. I think we found the keys.
Right here.
We did one on this one.
We did? It wasn't this? Nuh-uh.
There's a. It started right up.
I beg to differ. I'm going to go back. I'm almost positive it was both of these. I think I have on...
This one starts.
Hey! Small block Chevy. Imagine that.
My favorite.
Yeah, so let's get back over here and we'll see what's cooking with what you've already got done here. I'd have been over earlier, but I didn't know. He works quick, so I know you're not super familiar with this garage, but he redid the things so he could actually get two vehicles in here because there used to be a whole McGillicuddy deal here. Oh, the tops are off. Nice. All right. So now all you experts can tell me about this Frankenstein car. I've been trying to explain to everybody in the comments that this is several different cars in reality probably. So yeah, it might actually be a 79 or whatever it is.
I think it's a 79 dash. I think these are 79. The hood scoop that's on the hood around the corner, I believe, is an 80.
Yeah, see,
interior
okay,
has
so
the
everybody
bottom
was
of it.
relatively accurate. I wasn't arguing with them. I just, based on what you told me, is what I was replying with. Classic cars are not my forte.
78 on the title.
Yeah, but exactly. That's what I kept telling them. So
Got them triple hump heads.
yeah, everybody's the most recent comments were, "There's no way that car's been sitting," which we never claimed it was a barn find. It was sitting for 20 years. We said it sat for about a year and a half after the hurricane Michael. Prior to that, you said it was off the road for 10 years, whatever long. That might be.
I kept blowing up motors in it, so my dad banned me from it.
All right, so there's the other explanation for why it doesn't have the original motor and all kinds of things are also different on it. He's popped a couple motors in this bad boy, so.
It had a 70 Corvette motor in it, but it wouldn't hold oil pressure.
All right. Also, I'm only repeating everything he says because I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but yeah. I'm not his parrot, I promise. He's just a soft-spoken man.
Uncle Ben.
See? I didn't even hear what he just said.
Uncle Ben.
Oh, yeah, Uncle Ben. All right, so the next time you see this, we'll be doing what to it currently. And I mean by the next time you see this, it's in like, I'm going to snap my fingers and boom, we're going to be there.
Hopefully I have the transmission out, or the shifter. And if I get that and the motor mounts, then the whole motor will come out.
Okie dokie then. Do we even have a motor hoist here?
It's in the barn. I might either use that or the tractor.
Hey, and if you're lucky, maybe we'll take you for a new tour of the gigantic pole barn he had built that we could put up under, or we could put other cars up under. Emmett's here. He's making sure to pee on everything. All right, cool. See you in a few seconds. So, some of you may remember, I'd like to think that some of you watch our videos enough to know what the property looked like, but probably not. Wishful thinking. Anyway, maybe one day. He got this gigantic, Chris got this gigantic ass pole barn built, so, well, you can see, shade. It's already, oh man, it's so much better. And here's his Crown Vic, and then there's the Will It Start Vet that people ask me about all the time.
You can do a start video on this camper.
Yeah, dude, the camper. I mean, well, you know it'll start because you drove it over here.
Sometimes it's questionable.
What do you mean it's questionable? They didn't build the barn around it. Yeah, that was everybody's problem with the Camaro. Well, basically all the videos. They were like, they all just started. I was like, they're all small block Chevys. Oh, also, sell my friend this seat.
Really?
Yeah. Anybody need a steering wheel? Yeah. We got them.
A fiber too.
Oh. Yeah. Anybody? What are those?
No Nidos or nothing, but they're big fat vehicles there.
Zoom
Might
in.
put Cooper Cobras on there.
Oh. I just noticed the CD.
Oh yeah. Breaker. Multinational air freshener.
Oh, here come all the comments. That car can't be that old. It's got a Nopi sticker or a Nopi air freshener in it.
I'm worried that the bolt's gonna break off in the block.
Huh.
I got torches behind you if we need to heat it up to get them out.
Yeah. Found a ratchet, or is that the broken one?
No, that one's still good. It was my small ratchet I broke right here. And it's my fault. I shouldn't have been using such a small wrench, but... We gotta put new U-joints in my Avalanche.
Oh, yeah, well, might as well get your practice on.
You like the new gas tank?
Ooh. This car can't be that old. It's got a new gas tank.
It's really dirty now. Oh, it was really nice.
Well, they do that.
It needs a bath. I was gonna paint a rebel flag on it, but I'm not that creative.
Dig-a-doo-doo, dig-a-dig-a-woo, doo-doo-doo. Well, there's your problem.
If you lay it on the floor the other way, I'll probably show you how bent it is. Because it'll be flat on one side. And, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Hang on. I'll show you. Let's get that real money shot.
I might need another one there. Four speed. Some dents up in the Driveshaft tunnel where my dad spit the Driveshaft out. They don't really come up on camera very good. Took out the U-bolt. Gonna drop the Driveshaft. Need to get a bucket so I don't get a face full of gear oil. And then I guess transmission crossmember bolts. And shift linkage. Speedometer cable. And then those 4 transmission bolts. And then the clutch and bell housing. Maybe the exhaust. I'm doing it right. Don't usually just slide forward?
I mean, as long as it's... Yeah, I mean, it's got to be fucking... There it goes. No, you're going really...
Yeah, I just wonder why the top doesn't let go.
There it goes. Tail shaft. That's the word I was looking for.
Yeah, it's all this right here.
Oh, okay.
There's 4 of them because it's a 4-speed. In reverse. Speedometer, backup lights.
Yeah. So that's a sweet side pipes, bro.
Oh yeah. All blowing up.
The video about this car had like 900 views a week ago, and now it has 145,000 views.
No, I don't think. I think it was like at 97. I got a pipe if you need it. Don't break your hand.
What kind of pipe?
Jack handle.
Might have been better if this thing would have had some heat in it before we did it.
I got the torches. If you're worried about it breaking. That's the only hole in it though.
That's from main salt, wasn't it?
No, we didn't drive in the salt. I think that was from my mom leaving the T-tops off.
It's like it's gonna break me down, man. Look, I told you it was gonna do it.
Ooh.
Hold that one. That's just from it being an old boat, Chris.
That one's loose.
See where it broke off? When I pry this off, it's gonna be stud.
Oh, well, that's good. So hopefully there'll be enough
There'll be plenty to grab.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Oh wow.
Yeah. It needed new bolts a long time ago.
Oh, for the manifold?
Yeah. That's why this shit was so loud.
Manifold?
We're gonna put this on it.
Look like you can't clear the suspension.
What is that piece right there? What's that piece right there? That piece right there.
I don't know.
I like it on bolts. I just want manifold to come up. Come on.
Can we get the smaller one?
You might have to break it right there. Is there any, what's it hanging on there? Did you cut the pipe off?
Yeah. I can cut it again to give you some wiggle room.
It's caught on the stud.
Yeah.
Yep.
You want me to get the normal size crowbar and we can pry and wiggle and see if we
might
can
work.
wiggle it off of the stud?
That might work.
A concrete wrecking bar.
I'd like that. I guess you got it.
Cool.
You lit?
Yeah.
I'd like that. At least leave it right there. It should fall off. It got looser. It got looser. We're going to clean the tip out. vacuum tip. Maybe it's all right.
Yeah. Got the troublemaker.
What success looks like.
Yeah. All right. Well, that has been side pipes off and drive shaft out and exhaust manifolds off and studs. So they might work on it a little bit more, but I've got a little bit of a drive home and it's hot and the bugs are bumming me out and I want some tacos. So until next time, keep your wieners corona free and let's hope YouTube doesn't bum me out about that copyright. That is not Joan Jett. That is some other bitch singing that song.